presenting Wisecon's new DropControl app.
My name is Brian Bedrosian. I'm a farm manager for Kings River Packing. I help take care of close to 2,000 acres for the company. If anybody knows me, they know that I was like almost the last guy to get a regular iPhone. I had the flip phone until 2015. When all this technology started coming on, I was just like way in the back. I couldn't figure it out. And when the Wisecon DropControl app came out, I was kind of reluctant against it. I didn't want to do it, but they showed me how to use it, and it is very simple. The Wisecon app allows me to set my irrigation schedules weeks ahead of time, and if ever I want to change it, it's very easy to change it. It's just, you do it all on the telephone, or you can do it on an iPad. My worker's able to come out and start the pump by hand. He starts it, he checks the emitters, and then he puts it back onto automatic. And once he does that, the rest is up to me. We don't have to touch any of the Wisecon equipment or anything. When the pump goes on, it alerts me, and when it goes off, it alerts me. So that gives me quite a bit of peace of mind. We have close to 70 different pump sites. I can view all of the soil moistures, the water, the airspeed, the temperature. I can view it all on one page. This is a block of our tangos out in the Reedley area. It was very easy to have the irrigation system put in, the pump system put in, and the Wisecon system put in. It all just fit in real nice together. And by doing this, it made it a very efficient irrigation system. We're also going to be able to get some valves, and they have them out now, we just haven't got them yet, where we can turn automatic valves on and off. So we don't have to send our employees out there to switch valves. I can do it all on the iPad or on my telephone. I can see that throughout the years, this type of automation is going to be real good for farming. I never believed that I would be the one to ask the company if we could put more of these Wisecon systems in, because they are so handy and easy to use.
Wisecon. Irrigate precisely.